technically it's related to DeX. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Okay, looks like. Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay. 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 Let's do a bit of gaming, shall we? Let's do a bit of gaming. Hello everyone who's watching my live stream. Thank you very much for joining me. Here we go, another weekend, another live chat between us, just to see how we're going. Let me quickly check. Okay. Well, this is weird. This is weird. Okay, so it says it's paired, but what the hell? Anyway. So hello everyone. Here we go, another weekend, another time I'm live streaming. I've just decided to do a bit of gaming on the on a DeX, and at the same time live stream and just sort of have a chat with you guys, just to see how everything is going. How are you this lovely weekend? Currently outside here in Wales, it's not warm. It's a bit chilly, so it's nothing new. This is kind of weather we always expect here. I'm gonna start by doing a bit of just action shooting game, Call of Duty, just to chill out for a bit, and then we're gonna go from there. Everything what you see is running from Samsung DeX. I'm just using a Windows machine to live stream, but basically all this is a Samsung DeX, gaming inside Samsung DeX. Okay, it's asking me to log in, which is not what I expected, but we're gonna see. Come on. And okay, right, okay, let's go for all this. Here we go. Here we go. Let's try to do a ranked match. I'm using Xbox 360, Xbox One Bluetooth controller to control this game. Hopefully it's gonna work. Sometimes the controller doesn't work inside Samsung DeX, specifically on this game. It's just weird kind of things happening. It's sometimes getting detected, sometimes not. So it's a weird kind of thing. But anyway, let's see how it goes. I was planning to announced that I'm gonna do a live stream a couple of days ago, but so much thing was happening, and I sort of just forgot about it. So if anyone watching, that's great. If no one's watching, then it's great as well. Okay, so okay. Okay, so looks like a controller is working, which is great. This is bad.
Let's go this way.
Thumbsticks don't want to work. How? Oh, this is great. Let's close the game and try to sort it out. What the hell is going on? My controller decided to pack in. Hello, Madan and TAC FXL. Hello, thank you very much for joining me. I'm gonna quickly swap the controllers. For some reason, just control stopped working. That's the thing happening with DeX. Sometimes the things that you expect should work straight away, it just doesn't. And I can understand sometimes why the hell this is happening. It's weird. So I'm gonna just use the a different different Xbox controller now. I'll have a black one and a white one. I'm gonna pair the black one right now with DeX. Ampere. Here we go. So I need to make sure that you are in the yes. Hello everyone who's watching it. Thank you very much for joining me. Here we go. Xbox controller got detected. I hope that's the one. Yes. Okay. So looks like we're back in business, which is great. Call of Duty. The things happening when you're live streaming, it just sometimes it just works against you. Here we go. So the white controller, apparently the thumbstick, it just stopped working. The left and right thumbsticks. So I'm gonna have to investigate that after the live stream. I have a backup, which is great. So we're gonna see from there. Is there a way to install Linux on Samsung DeX? I tried using Termux, but it doesn't work on Tab 7, by the way. Yes, there is a way using Termux and Andronic setup. Basically, you're using Termux as the like a terminal kind of installation path, but then you're using the Android app called Andronix. I'm gonna type that in a chat now for you to quickly find it. Andronix. I do believe I done a video about it quite a while ago, and I actually once like not permanently using it, but I do once in a while connect to what? I got banned before because I left it. Right, you tried Andronix as well. Okay. Well, because I got banned from a Call of Duty, let's have a look. So here you go. This is Andronix, the app that I use, and let's go Termux. So do I have something? No, you go ls. I have nothing installed. Update. I have nothing installed inside Termux, so we're quickly gonna get Linux running. This is, by the way, on but it just says error. Okay. Well, yeah, you're right. This is an error. Great. I think I typed the wrong command. Let's try it. Pause under maintenance. All right. Okay. So Termux is under maintenance. That okay? Fine. Let's try to install Andronix or Termux anyway. Oh, sorry, Andronix. I do have a modded OS, but we're gonna go without the modded OS. This is one of the things I hate about this app on DeX. Is just install this. Okay, so I want XFC, and I want to go here. That's right, clear. Click and hold and press paste. There's another way while it's installing. Let's have a quick look. I tried another way. Linux OS. Let's have a quick look. Linux deploy, I tried that. I tried that as well. The Linux deploy is a great app for you to install and try Linux around, but as far as I remember, the setup process, and I mean like configurations, what you need to do before you actually like start using Linux on DeX the way you want, it's a lot of messing around. Userland, that's the one I tried as well. Userland actually is not bad at all. Installation process of the Userland is pretty much similar to Andronix. You just go and select the I'm gonna actually install this, and select what kind of OS you want. Okay, currently enabling contributors. Right, so Termux having a problem. Right, so it's not only on your tab S7, it's basically mine as well, so it's something is with Termux happening. What I'll do, don't know if that's even gonna work, but I'm just gonna reinstall Termux. Uninstall. So we're gonna go store, search Termux. Here we go. Let's install Termux again. Let's get Termux installed again. Okay. I can't believe I've got banned on Call of Duty. No, that's it, yeah. Let's do a bit of investigation, shall we? Just switch cameras. Hold on, let me make sure that what you see is nothing that gonna be go. Here we go. So Termux upgrade error. About a month ago. Error solved. Okay, the error in Termux. Here's why Termux app no longer getting updates. Okay, let's have a look. This is in this year January. Yeah, so it's as many of you well aware, Samsung operating system is powered by Linux kernel. Despite this, Android and Linux apps are not exchanging difference. Since November, all existing. Okay. You can still find an app in Google Play Store, but the build is severely outdated. Since the Play Store is the official support Android, high is no site selling. Why these two not affecting the? That's because there are no strict anti-decay. Right. Okay. So if I'm gonna get Termux through F-Droid, that should work. So we're gonna try this. I'll get the Termux uninstalled. I do believe I have F-Droid. If I don't, okay, I don't have F-Droid. We're gonna get one. We will go and get F-Droid. So we're gonna say F-Droid, enter, and we're gonna try from there. Obviously, what I'm trying here, you basically do this on your own head, because this is like I'm side loading the app, which then I'm gonna side load even more apps on top of it. So bad things might happen. So hopefully nothing bad. I don't think this F-Droid exists in the Google Play Store. No. So what do you want? F-Droid powered. Okay, donated. I don't want donation. I want to download you. Download F-Droid. All right, it's already downloaded. Install. Did you all find a solution for Panda Key Mapper? Right, Panda Key Mapper is very broken on the Samsung DeX on Android, and honestly, I don't really trust that app. It just something bugs me about it. That I don't know, just me, but I don't find that app very trustworthy. I don't know, it just really bugs me. I tried the Octopus app a while back, and that was not that great. Oh well, it was annoying me as well. It just buggy. I know that the some of the games like you want to play, you want to have the keyboard and mouse inputs and remap controller, but if the solution is to use Panda or similar app, I'm just not playing the game at all. I'm not finding that very trustworthy. Right, I think I'm back in game, so we're gonna go back later. Right, here we go. So we're gonna say I want to search for Termux. Bingo. So this is the app updated a week ago. Let's install. So I'm installing Termux via F-Droid because apparently Google Play Store version is busted. So we're gonna see if that's the case. Right, it's asking me to give permission to install unknown sources via F-Droid. I'm gonna say yes. I'm opening basically a door to install or sideload APK through F-Droid. So that Termux is here. We're gonna boot this for first time. PKG upgrade. Enter. Okay, as you hope you can see, but there's a lot of amazing things happening right now on the screen. Okay. What the hell is this? Okay, what I see on the live stream is not what I get on the screen. This is weird. Right. Can I show you what I'm getting on the screen? So if I'm gonna screenshot this, what is actually gonna show me on the after right? Okay, this is weird. PKG upgrade. Right, so it's upgrading. Okay, the things that I see on a screen is definitely not you see on the live stream. I'm gonna try to show it to you now. So I'm gonna try to show you these to you now. What the hell I'm seeing on the screen, because it's definitely not what you see. Let me quickly switch the cameras and try to show it to you. I thought for a second that the APK just nagged my text. Go here, go here. So sync, and I want to A to Z by date. Okay, so this is today. Okay. Oh no, this is a screenshot. Anyway, my screen is looking really weird. Yes. I need basically a live stream. I need to keep an eye on live stream to see what I'm doing, because it's no it's not what I get on the screen. Seriously, my monitor is really playing up. But the live stream, actually, I think you see on the live stream as well now. Oh my god, really? Right, I need to basically close everything down. I need to close the Termux because it's playing up. I'm gonna try start from fresh. The screen, what I'm getting, and you're not seeing on the live stream, is like jelly. Everything is like shaking, and I can't really understand what it's saying on the screen. It's happened again. Okay, this is weird. This is very weird. Let me quickly let me quickly try to find this image now. Mr. P files. Hold on, where I'm going. OneDrive, pictures, camera roll. Hello everyone who's joined me this lovely Sunday. Like I said in the beginning of the stream, it's not here we go. I can show it to you what I see on the screen. This is what I see on the screen when I'm trying to update Termux. And it's like overlaps everything. And I have no clue what is happening. I'm gonna try later. Who's asked me? Red Rocket. I do believe you left a comment on one of my videos. As soon as I have a chance to retry this all, I'll let you know inside. I'll reply back on the comment. Because like I said, this is what's happening. I can't, like, all this is mushed into one piece of a text and I can't read it. So what I will do, as soon as I have a chance, I'll try the Termux Linux thing with a side-loaded app. As soon as I get the chance, I'll come back to you. Okay, Anton, could you up your sound volume, please? My volume sound is actually +5 decibels than normal should be. So I don't know what. By the way, I'm almost very close to the microphone, so it is very. Keys B, good morning. Good morning to you, sir. I hope you're doing great. Yeah, we are trying to find a way to install Linux because the Termux on the Play Store is bugged. Yes, that's what we're trying to do. But the Termux on F-Droid software is bugged as well. That's what I get. Let me try to, on a side, what I'll do, I'm going to try F-Droid. I don't have F-Droid on my phone. Do I really want to do this on my phone? I'll try on a later on a tablet just to see how it's going. And I'll let you know. Just got an update this morning that will allow a bookmarks bar on the Samsung Internet on DeX. Yes, I noticed that. Well, I noticed that today. If I go here, which for me, this kind of thing is somewhat useful. I don't think I'm gonna start putting a lot of edit bookmark. Can I write? Okay, you can rename. So F-Droid. I don't know. It's useful. One thing I would like to have is some. So actually, let me try something. So if I'm gonna go to Google, if I'm gonna add the Google to a bookmarks, how to add a bookmark? Bookmark has been added. You see, this is Google. I wish to have the favicon showing up as well. Favicon is basically these icons next to the name of the website. So as you can see, F-Droid icon, Google G icon. This is, shut up Google Assistant. These are favicon. I wish to have them next to this because on, let's say, on the Windows machine, when I create the, for example, a bookmark for Google, instead of me having a bookmark for Google, I type this, I type G and press save. That means that G is just as a placeholder, but then favicon indicates what kind of website it is, so it's much easier for me to, well, I just click on this and I can have way more than fit. So if I'm gonna say Google search engine is gonna be like really long bookmark kind of thing, I don't like these things. I wish to have the favicon, but it's a nice touch from Samsung to go in the right way. Yeah, the icon would be great. If quick side note, if any one of you watched my video or not, I'm using the Samsung Trio 500 keyboard just as the a keyboard for me to switch between camera angles. And then that's all. That's the use of this keyboard I'm getting, because it's just Samsung needs to try better with this keyboard if you're wondering. Okay, so Termux, how? You know what? Let's try Userland instead. If we're trying to get Linux on DeX today, we're trying to get Linux on DeX today. So, okay, so what we have, desktops, LXDE or XFCE. I'm probably gonna go with XFCE. So, do you like to help become a Not really. Are you sure? Okay, sure. No, thank you. Right. Let's click permissions for storage. Okay. Username Mr. P. Password QWE123. BNC password 123 QWE. Let's do this 123 QWE. Click continue. I want to connect via VNC. Yes, please. That's it. So user lands right now going and fetching all the files and unloading. And I think Remotrix. I do have a Remotrix app. What I was trying here. Oh, here we go. Tab S6 Linux. I had the Linux set up on a tablet a while back. And a Windows 10 machine RDP, which actually I can delete. This was me trying some things with the Microsoft Azure server. Actually, I can delete that as well because it's not required anymore. So I'm going to use Remotrix as soon as user land gets things done. Okay, what's happening in the chat? I hope that other browsers add this as well. I'm using the Brave browser. Is great. I tried the Brave browser a while back. I don't know. I got used to a Samsung browser. Even this is a big pain in the backside. I'm still using the Samsung browser. It's just, I don't know. It's just, I'm finding, because right, if Samsung browser opens some websites weird, I can then go and shout at Samsung saying that you're not treating Samsung DeX properly. I can't really go and say anything to Google or anything, but if Samsung browser inside Samsung DeX acting funny, then I'm always going on a Twitter and I'm just saying, come on Samsung, sort this out. Okay, our user land is still ticking. That's great. We're gonna see how we're gonna get that. How we will get the Linux on DeX going. Samsung browser works much better in DeX. Needs work though. Yes. 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 It's I just wish Samsung treated the Samsung DeX more professionally, because at the moment it feels like they just once in a while just throw some features and fine. Okay, so it's installed. It's telling me which one I want to use. I'm going to use Remotrix, and I'm going to say application password is 123 QWE. I think that's the was. And can I go full screen on this? Yes, I can. And here we go. Right now what you see is the I think it's Ubuntu or Debian. I don't know exactly which distro of this Linux is, but it's basically right now getting all the things set up. And we are nearly getting the Linux on DeX. The actually key mapper thing, where is it? A while back, come on, where are you? I got so much stuff. And I can never find when I need something to show you. I never find it. Basically, I have a thing called FlyDigi. Where's my browser? Here. I have a thing called FlyDigi. FlyDigi. I ordered a while back, tried it, I done a video about it, and I never touched it again. And here we go. That's the boy. So FlyDigi is the basically why it opens in a mobile. Probably it can detect deny. It probably can detect that I'm using DeX. No, I don't want you. Go away. Basically, this is a FlyDigi kind of thing, and this is a Bluetooth keyboard mouse mapper kind of thing for Android. And what it does, you connect to these USB ports. There is 2 on one side and 1 on another side. If I could, bloody screenshots. Here we go, eBay. That should open like a desktop. Here we go. Yeah. So 2 on this side. Yes, accept. Go away. And 1 on another side. You should be able to connect 3 devices in total. I don't know why it's not showing other side. It should be free connect. I remember correctly, if I remember correctly. And what it does, you connect keyboard and mouse to it. You connect this FlyDigi thing to an app called FlyDigi app, which you can find in Google Play Store by searching FlyDigi Game Center. There we go. Threshold 2.9 rating is about right. The app is very not buggy, but very sometimes funny to use, and you can remap the buttons. And what's the beauty of this? I find this well, I still don't really trust this kind of way to play games, but I find this a bit more secure than Octopus app or Panda. It's just me. Obviously, if you're using Panda or Octopus app and you're playing the game for hours and hours on end, that's great. But I don't find the Panda and the what's that called, Octopus app, being trustworthy to be used. But if you want to use FlyDigi, I tried it with a couple of games. Then I tried do a bit of like action, driving, etc., etc., and they all worked great. All worked great. Okay, so it's unpacking, installing. Come on. Unpacking Tango, icon theme. Where is my FlyDigi thing? I remember having it somewhere. I probably lost it somewhere. I've got so much crap. Here we go, found it. Here we go. FlyDigi. So Bluetooth pairing button at the bottom, on-off switch on one side. Actually, it is only two connections, two USB connections. So one side is nothing. So you connect keyboard and a mouse. So there's like a USB 1, USB 2, and you need to supply power via micro. Where is my light? Micro B, USB micro B, 5 volts. So basically a phone charger. And when you turn it on, and you connect the keyboard and mouse, the app detects that the FlyDigi is connected, and it's just gonna start giving you option to remap on the screen, like assign buttons and all sorts. Well, while this is installing, it might take a while. I just really want to go and just do a bit of blast on a Call of Duty. Just to go and do a bit of chill and because I don't really get much time playing games, so right now it's a bit more like an excuse kind of thing. So I chat to you and I can play game, which is fantastic. Okay, can I claim this bad boy? Yes. So many pop-ups. I just want to play the game. Let's go rank match. Before I jump, let's have a quick look what you're all saying. But it's bugged out on the. Have you found that the battery on your UPerfect X is getting worse at a rapid rate? My battery will not get a 2 anymore. Not really. No. What's this? Hold on. So this is Expand X. I keep mixing up which one is which. So I don't really. Hold on, let's get the camera rolling. I haven't noticed any sort of problems with it. I've been using it, but the one thing that I noticed a bit is the charging port where you charge is getting a bit more warmer than we used to be, but overall it's, I don't know, I haven't noticed anything drastic. I'm basically working from home, so it's not like I'm going out and about quite a lot to use a battery. Probably I would start notice a battery problem if I will take this all on the go all the time. Most of the times when I'm using UPerfect X is connected to a charger. I'll keep an eye on it. And I'll report back to you. I just need to get. Hold on. I'll take a screenshot of your username to be able to find you. Here we go. Screenshot. Send my screenshot to a storage device. Here we go. I got the screenshot. So I'll find you as soon as I'll notice something like going on. Or if you will join the Samsung DeX subreddit group, just ping me on there, and we can have a private chat on there and DM each other and talk about this. Been using mine every day, and the battery is losing 1% every other week. Ooh. If I'll notice that, oh great, I got your nickname on the Reddit. Let me take a screenshot of that thing as well. I got a screenshot into a notes. Here we go, got it. So I'll be able to check later. Good luck finding a rank. Okay. I wish, like, I hope I have enough luck to get the controller working from start, because the controller is messy. Yeah, I'll keep using my UPerfectX. Most of the times when I need a lap dock, I'm always going with the NextDock 2 original one. I don't know, I just find it. It's my first lap dock, proper lap dock, and I just sticking with it. I don't know, just finding it more better for my use. Right, controller working. So A button works, so that's good. So hopefully their thumbstick's not working. What the hell? Look, I can jump, I can crouch, but I can't shoot. I can throw a grenade. What the hell?
Lost the lead.
Advanced mode, simple mode. Controller. So enable control support connected. This is weird. I really... What is going on?
Let's go this way.
I know where to go. My controller not working. I just realized one thing. This is a second controller that doesn't work. So my Xbox White one not working, and my Xbox Black one not working. And what that means is that the freaking Samsung Dex done something to it. Because it can't be that two controllers died at the same time. Oh, I'm gonna get banned again. God damn. Okay. Let's go into a games. A lot of my little ones games. Right. Hold on. Which one? This is gonna take too long. Right. I know that this game definitely works with controller. I definitely know that this game will work with controller. So. What the hell? Why is work? So that was the Call of Duty thing. So Call of Duty is messed up. Fine. I'm gonna just chill a bit with this game instead. No, that's an exit. My bad. Let's go this way. Who's that? I can't remember how to... Oh yeah. How to switch the weapons. Is this button? Okay. I played this game a while back, so my apologies. Yeah, open the door, Right. I can't wait. The Call of Duty is great game, it just... What the Figaro? Anyway. Another ban probably. Yeah, I'll get the ban again. Oh my god. Why? You just want to play the game. Here we go. Anyway. I placed my order for an Xbox 360 fingers crossed that I will better perfect X. I have a lot of hopes for NextDock 360 because the NextDock original is, like I said, my most favorite lap dock. I use it like all time, every time when I have a chance. Like when I need to use Samsung DeX on the go, my NextDock 2 is my main thing. The NextDock 2 Touch, it is a great idea to add the touchscreen. It bugs me, and I don't know. It's just not sticking to me. But the UPerfect, when you take UPerfect X, I like the 360-degree hinge and a touchscreen, etc. But I like the way that the NextDock 2 original one has like the keyboard layout, and not a keyboard layout, the keyboard functionality. I like to use the NextDock 2 original, but I want to look like a UPerfect X, if that makes sense. So NextDock 360 is basically combining both of them in one, and hopefully that's what's gonna happen. So hold on, which I haven't completed this one, so I'm gonna do this now. Let's go. I remember playing this game a while back and completing it, well, finishing almost 100%. Then, me being an idiot, I deleted my Google Play account or reset it or something, and it's deleted all my like cloud saves. So that was a lot of fun. Die. Here we go. Let's go this way. So yeah, fun. Call of Duty, can't believe this doesn't work. Okay. I hope game is not too loud, by the way, because in my headphones, game sounds alright. But then again, I don't know how you find it. Upgrade. I just realized there's playing music in this game, and YouTube doesn't like when you are playing copyrighted materials. So hopefully YouTube not gonna go and start penalizing me for this. Because YouTube doesn't like sound music. Fantastic. So yeah, this is my old save. I had all the way to up here with all the updates, and I had the last one. Yeah, 20k, 200,000 actually. Ooh, that's not good. That's not good. I'll do one more, and I will try Call of Duty again, because I just want to go in. Okay, let's go. Someone is waiting on this one. Okay. Okay. Oh, this is an exit, right? Let's go. Oh, come on. So, let's get some refreshments. Do you know if you can have 120 external monitor on DeX? That's the thing with this resolution and hertz on the screen. The Samsung DeX native goes all the way up to 60 hertz, where Samsung DeX for PC supposed to go on a 30 hertz. But I seen a couple of posts on the Samsung Reddit or Samsung DeX Reddit that people getting 120 hertz and 60 hertz on Windows on the DeX for PC. So this is really confusing. And what doesn't help at all, that I wish Samsung was a bit more open with what the people can expect and can't expect. They just tell you, here we go, this is a phone, you connect your Windows machine and you will get DeX. Great, but it's not gonna harm. You're not gonna lose a lot of hours just by creating a quick FAQ or something. Just say, right, if you connect A to B, you will expect this. If you connect, let's say, your Note 20 to, I don't know, 4K monitor, what you will expect. This we tested on these kind of they need to have something similar like we're trying to do with the Reddit and like a wiki section, where we just accumulating all this information from all your posts and just putting in one place. So when somebody is looking for, they can quickly jump into a wiki page and see which kind of hubs, which users using and what they're getting, what they can expect then. That's what I wish from Samsung. They've done a bit of more work and helped us out, instead of just saying, that's it, you get Samsung DeX and no information at all. Yeah, Samsung DeX is lazy with DeX. Samsung DeX is lazy with DeX. Samsung is lazy with DeX. We're very small niche users, if that makes sense. It's just a handful of us using it. It's nothing like, okay, it is, I think it is a groundbreaking thing. It is amazing thing, especially with all this right to repair and other things happening. No one is stopping you from going and getting yourself a broken, I almost bought a Galaxy S8 Plus with smashed screen a couple of days ago. I almost went and bought it for about 50-60 British pounds, because it's a great device as a DeX device. It's a great DeX device. You connect to external monitor and you have a somewhat decent computing device for 50-60 pounds. Hello, Paul. How's things? I'm chilling. Sunday chill. Decided to do a bit of gaming and just talk to you all guys. Tried to play Call of Duty, but the controller didn't want to work and I got banned second time. So I don't think I'm gonna join Call of Duty servers very time soon. And now I'm just playing the game, which is called, I think it's called Xenover. I enjoy this game just because it's like you just go around, kill bugs. Plus, this works great on the DeX and it supports controller very well. Samsung DeX is released. Yes, it has so much potential, but they just don't do anything. Yes. One thing. Looking from Windows 11. I haven't watched the Windows 11 presentation. I just went and I waited for a couple of days, like a day or so, and then I just watched the Linus LTT version of it. And because Windows 11 allows you to use Android apps, first thing is from Amazon App Store, which is I don't like at all, but it allows you to use Android apps on the Windows. This, I think, gonna potentially hurt, push back a bit of the Samsung DeX for PC usage, which is in some way don't think it's great. It's just very messy. It just, all this sounds to me very messy. Samsung DeX for PC works. Samsung and Microsoft handshaking to make that work, but then Microsoft some way punches Samsung. Microsoft punches Samsung in the guts and allowing Amazon App Store to work. It's I don't know. It's very messy for me. I hope it's like we're still gonna use. Come on, nearly died. We're still gonna use Samsung DeX, and it's not gonna go anywhere. But I really, it is a very not groundbreaking, but it's very interesting technology, and it's amazing. And you watch the movies about like science fiction movies, and the people doing all sorts of things on some quieter computer on their hand. It's just Samsung DeX is a similar thing to me. It's amazing thing, and I hope Samsung will not do anything to it. Well, only good way, good things to do with it. I'm in a pub garden, having a quick pint before going to. No, pint. Oh yeah, cause this is the what's this called? Hospitality places got open in UK. Yeah, I think is it last week or week before was. I haven't went to a pub for years. I might go, but it's just it's been open recently. I'm getting my second jab on Friday, so I can't wait for that. I can't wait to get my second jab. I hope the side effect will be minor compared to what I had with the first one. I'm so out of the loophole with this opening, closing. It's just they opening, they closing, they opening, they closing. I just stopped following. Stop following the rules, the rules, the news. I find I'm educating my friends to have the Samsung DeX phones about it. Yes, the Casby, I think at least 5 people I converted into DeX from their iPhones. Is it 5? 4 or 5? Yeah, 4 or 5 people. I basically showed them what the DeX can do. Then I showed them that they can't do the same thing with iPhone. And they're like, okay, my contract is about to over. I'm just gonna go and get myself a Note 20 or S21 or whatever they went for. I'm gonna go and I'm probably gonna join back. I'm gonna stream for another hour if anyone just wondering, because 1 p.m. UK time is my time to go and say good night to my little one and make sure that he's going for his beauty sleep. So 1 o'clock is I'm offline. So I get like 2-3 hours a week for a little game time, etc. Tact FXL, goodbye. Like I said, if you're still here, I'm gonna stream for another hour. About 1 o'clock I'm gonna close it, and hopefully you will be, if you join, that's great. If you're not, you're more than welcome to check my other videos, or I'm gonna try to do a live stream again next weekend. Not sure Saturday or Sunday, but it's gonna be a weekend. Paul, which one you did have first is Astra. The second one has hardly any side effects. Normally my job is to inject people. Okay, my first jab was AstraZeneca, and after 10 hours of getting a jab, the side effects, it was basically like a train in GTA 5. You are here and you just got splattered. So my side effects on the first one was rough. I mean, I was seeing stuff. I was somewhere else. The second one, the second one apparently, the second one is going to be much better, so it's great. Oh, you work for NHS. Respect, Paul. Respect for your work. You are the heroes, not anyone else. I do respect you a lot. I think if Samsung made another DeX dock and lab dock, it would help spread awareness. Yes. It would help if they created the official gadgets for Samsung DeX, but not like this. Not like this. Not create a keyboard that it just Samsung, please don't do this again. What you did with this keyboard. Yes, and what they need to do with creating the gadgets is, I'm not saying that they must do that, but at least go online and look for communities or groups like our Samsung DeX on Reddit, and just see what people talking about it. Don't sit down, tell 10, 12 people in the office and say, right guys, let's create the hub. And somebody says, oh, I want the hub to have 2 fans instead of 1. Great, that's it, signed. Let's manufacture, let's sell it for 50, 60 quid. Without really like thinking how we can improve this to really push it. If they really sit down and properly talked about this and properly decided to, right, let's push Samsung DeX, they would go overnight from being somewhat this kind of thing, what we do here, to like really mainstream. I do believe that. But they're like, yeah, maybe not. Let's 1 year goes by, let's make wireless DeX. Another year goes by, let's make something else. Yes, exactly. That goes my. Here we go. Exactly. HP Elite X3. Exactly. If Samsung created this, put Samsung logo at the back. Where is it? Light. Anyway, the Samsung logo at the back, like this. Proper battery, proper everything. This, not Samsung book or whatever they just launched recently. I just saw him knock the mic. That they launched recently, which is crap. Just create this power kind of the clamshell laptop thing, and that's it. And a lot of people will be happy. A lot of people will be happy, and a lot of people, I think, will start using it, because for my work, I would say, I think I already mentioned that multiple times. 95% of stuff that I do for my day job, I can easily do on Samsung DeX, and I was doing it. Obviously, right now I maintain a couple of projects that requires very custom software that only available on Windows, so I can't really like use DeX for that. Plus, this is almost like all day for these kind of projects and this software, so it's not like I can use a bit of Samsung, a bit of Windows anyway. But Samsung DeX I can see 90-95% of my work, excuse me, being done with DeX. So if Samsung pushed it, a lot of people will start using DeX by a lot. But Samsung DeX just like, nah, we're just gonna give you a different layout kind of thing in DeX with update. No, we don't want that different layout in DeX. We want a more functionality. We want more customization. I would really want to see the widgets on the screen. Like, really want to see widgets on the screen. On DeX, if I was able to pin the app, right? If there is an app called Server Up, basically an app that constantly pings a website on the servers and tells you if it's up or down. So I'm using this couple of apps like this to ping constantly a couple of our client websites just to get a server online. So I'm just gonna try to show you without showing the clients. Basically, this is an app I have here. I wish to have this app as a widget on the Samsung DeX on the screen. Not the notification popping up back and forward once it's happening, just a widget on the screen. Or option to, or especially on ultra-wide monitor, take about a bit of the chunk of the screen on the right or left side where I can pin it the apps and it's gonna always stay here. It's like, you know, when you can what's it called, snap the windows left or right. I wish to have like, if I snap, like say, if you can see right now on the screen where my webcam corner is finishing, all the way up. Let's say this is like a 1/4 of the screen. This is pinned for certain widgets, and rest of the screen I don't mind to use it. I don't mind if it becomes 4:3 aspect ratio, whatever. This kind of thing I would use it day and night. Because some of the things that I do in Samsung DeX, some of the apps that I use is more for data monitoring than actually using it. So having these kind of widgets, oh my god, it would be like game changer. But no, Samsung decided, you know what, we're gonna a bit tweak the menu bar, the taskbar, and you should be happy. You can go right now and buy your $1,000, $2,000 phone, which you can use as a PC, but we're gonna not allow you to use a PC as you want. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say about this window snapping kind of thing. Case B, the keyboard was a waste. Exactly. This is 39 British pounds waste. I'm using this right now to switch between the cameras. It's more like Elgato dock, Stream Dock kind of thing. But I don't think I'm not gonna use it at all as a main keyboard. It's frustrating to use. If VS Code worked on Android DeX, I would move completely over even Android Studio, which would much, but I am sure that it will easily make VS Code work on Android. VS Code, which is basically JavaScript as a wrapper. Right, VS Code. Oh, actually, hold on. We were doing something here with the Linux on DeX. I'm sorry, guys. We were doing something here with Linux on DeX. And I completely forgot. Is it still happening? Where's my stop and then restart the stop? Okay. How I'm gonna stop? Oh yeah, sessions. So this is a session. Okay, no. Click and hold and press stop. Okay, press once again and start. And now we're gonna remote tricks and we're gonna say password. Yes. Use the full config. I hope that's here we go. The person that asked me to try this, he's already left. I forgot about it. Oh, I'm so sorry. Crap. Anyway, right, here we go. Linux on DeX. Let's see if I can do sudo. Hold on, I moved this. Let's move it. apt-get update. Sudo apt-get. Hold on, am I already in root? Apt update. Yeah, I think I'm already in root. Okay. So Paul, VS Code, you technically can run VS Code on DeX. Okay, update. Great. Oh yeah, so it's already in sudo. Okay, so while it's doing this, Paul, let me show it to you. A while back, VS Code, what's this called? Server? Linux? Right, Paul, what you just asked me, if you can get it working and you can make Flutter apps, and this just went like this for me. So I'm not a developer. I work for website development company, etc. I know a bit of couple of lines of code, but I'm more like keeping eye on a project instead of like writing a code. Right, there is a way to run a what's this called? VS Code. I think it's called VS Code. VS Code server. No, not VS Code. What the run VS Code Termux. Bingo. What's this? Errors. Fantastic. Running a VS Code in here. So, what they're telling you, you need Termux. You need to git cd. Yes. Yeah, that's Code Server. That's what it's called. I'm bloody idiot. It's called Code Server. Code Server VS Code Android. Medium. That's the one. So there's a developer, a YouTuber. She's done a video online about this. I'm not sure if it still works, but this is how you can get VS Code running inside the Samsung DeX. You run the Termux, you install the headless Ubuntu without the desktop UI. So you install the Ubuntu. What is it? Yeah, here we go. So you install the Ubuntu, Linux ARM64. No, yeah, you should get. Set up Ubuntu. Here we go. That's the step. You set up Ubuntu. It's like a headless thing. Then you download this VS Code, and then when you run it, the VS Code, you start code-server. You will get like a URL and the password that you need to get the things done. Right. Let's have a look. How's my update happening? Sudo apt upgrade. I thought it is on sudo. Now it's telling me the privilege required. We're trying to get Linux on DeX. Okay. Basically, it uses a Dart language and Fluid in the frameworks. There is a plugin in the VS Code to write Fluid apps, but you have to have a SDK, etc. Oh, right. This kind of thing, Paul, I'm not sure if you'll be able to do on VS Code on DeX. I know that VS Code, when you install it on Android, like on DeX via Termux, is a couple of versions down from what you currently can get. The idea probably would be, again, it's probably not cost effective, but have like a VM somewhere running, and then you just RDP or VNC into it. So, but yeah, the APK and the there was an option on the Linux on DeX original one by Samsung. You were able, there was an option for you to run SDK for Android stuff on there. So you were basically, you had an option to code Android apps inside Android app, if that makes sense. Tact FXL, you haven't missed anything. Well, I forgot that we were doing a Linux test. I was playing a game I completely forgot, so I'm just right now updating kind of things. This is a userland with XFCE install. Happened without the Termux. Oh, it's with the Termux. Oh no, it's without the Termux. The userland has everything built in. Once you install it from here, so you can install, let's say, for example, if you want to install idle or git or something like this. Once you install these, it's gonna show up here under sessions, and you start and stop sessions here. And once you want to go in files, this is the file manager for this. So right now, as you can see, this one being installed. So we're gonna go and see what we can do this now. So access, can I open the web browser? Because userland, here we go. Yeah, userland is not great. Andronix is more polished, but if you want like a mess around, userland is great. Might be worth trying a cloud solution, maybe. So yeah, let's. I wish freaking Termux. I'm a bit annoyed that Termux don't want to run, because I was planning to get myself a Linux setup again, but now I can't because the Termux is just. So this is all works fine. Oh, it's already, as you can see at the bottom. Oh, I'm not sure if you can see, because on the stream it's not happening. What the hell is going on? Okay, full screen apparently works. PKG upgrade. Let's see if PKG upgrade will work this time. Okay, everything is in. What? Andronix. Right. I'm gonna install not modded OS 18, XFC, paste. No, what you doing? Paste. Oh, it does work. It does work. Fantastic. So Termux app inside Google Play Store is busted. You want to use Linux on DeX via Andronix, get yourself the APK via F-Droid. Yeah, it does work. It's right now going through the yes. So far it's all installing fine. I can't see any errors showing up or anything. I can see all these lines that are what I would expect while installing it. So Termux inside Google Play Store is no go. You need to get yourself the F-Droid version. Yeah, everything is installing fine. I will have to post this on a Samsung Reddit, on a Samsung DeX Reddit. I have to post this later. Let everyone else know, just in case if somebody's looking for this. This is fantastic. Because I have a couple of videos, I have a couple of video ideas for the future things. Oh, I need your help, people. I need your help. I have the idea to do a video about using Samsung DeX on like external display, but not any external display. Let me show it to you. I tried to find an app, a program for that, but I just can't get it. I can't find it. So the idea is this. Oh, I knocked the mic again. I've been given a device by one of my friends, and this is this. I'm probably gonna have to wash my hands after using this, or disinfect, or just burn it or something, because this is the Apple product. It's Apple product. It has probably the most amazing wallpaper. Let me make sure that press the home button. Here we go. Mr. Rick and Morty. So the idea is this. I'm looking for the app that, I don't think this exists because you know Apple, they blocking everything. But I'm looking for the app that will accept the video input. You know, like I done a video on how to use the how to use Note 9. What is it? How to use Note 9. Your videos. How to use Note 9 as a display, or route Note 4 as a display. Here we go. Here we go. Let's do this. So this video where I'm showing you how to use your Note 9 and route it back in. I want to do the same thing for the iPad, but this app that I'm using, which is, where is it? I'm gonna say it somewhere here. Here we go. Stop, Mr. P. Stop. USB Camera Pro. This kind of similar thing. I'm trying to find an iPad on iOS, but I can't because Apple is being idiots. They're just not allowing you to do this. Someone click dislike on this. I'm gonna click like. Here we go. Linux on DeX is getting installed. We are winning. We are winning. We are winning. No way, get it. No way. Yeah, I agree, Paul. The Apple. I have this iPad for about 2 weeks now. And on Thursday, not kidding, I spent like probably 5 hours inside the App Store downloading all bunch of stuff, and neither of them worked. There's a lot of drone flying FPV kind of the programs, but nothing that what I need. And it's just no wonder I left Apple. I had an Apple product all the way from the first iPhone all the way to the iPhone 4, and they launched a 4S, I think, or iPhone 5, and I thought, you know what, I'm gonna leave, because you're doing absolutely nothing that will keep me. They're just changing the shape and color and nothing else. And actually, I'm glad I did, because Android is an amazing OS for me. Chrome Remote Desktop app. You see, the thing that I'm trying to do is the Samsung DeX outputs signal via HDMI capture card, which is connected into an iPad. Basically, I'm looking for app like OBS on iPad. I don't think that has OBS on iPad. Anyway, I'll try. It's not like end of the line, but I'll see. Because I'm just right now looking for ideas what videos I should do. What should I try with the DeX? I'm planning to do a outside gaming with wireless DeX kind of thing, just to see how this performs. Because a lot of time right now, I don't really have a much time to for videos, like work and everybody else just taking over. So that's why I just like to do these live streams on a weekend, because I have 2 hours just to chill with you guys, chat about all sorts of things, and try to run DeX on Linux. DeX on Linux, Linux on DeX. This is installing a lot of things. Okay, I best be off and get shopping. Nice to chat again. Let me know if you get the score. No problem, Paul. Take care. Enjoy your shopping. Enjoy your shopping. And everything's gonna be good. Right. It just stopped. It stopped installing it. I'm somehow just want to go and try Call of Duty again. I just want to go and find out what the hell is going on with Call of Duty, why I can't play this game on my Samsung DeX. Because it was working perfectly, and now it's just you know what, I'm not gonna do ranked. I'm getting bloody banned every time I'm going to a ranked match. Right. Okay. Let's try again. I just want to go and just fight.
We lost the lead. Let's go this way.
What the hell? So I'm gonna disconnect the controller. Connect again.
Be advised, hostile Predator missile inbound.
Ooh. It's telling me it's not connecting. Oh my god. It's this. Connect. You know what? This doesn't impair you. Yes. Do you have a batteries in here? No. Seriously. These kind of things with decks are just really annoying me. Why they just don't work? Why they just like work out of the box? I want to play the game. Game supports controller. Turn controller on. Run the game. Game says nope. I just want to go and play the game. Yes, I want to pair you. Here we go. This one is connected. Fantastic. Oh, great.
Never mind.
Hold on. So, do you actually... You know what? I wanted to play with the bloody keyboard. What the hell is going on? I mean, this is really annoying me. Okay, one tap. So let's go in control settings. So this is this. Okay, control is on. Default. Tap, auto sprint. Fine. Everything looks fine. All right, we won without me doing. Oh, we got defeated. My bad. Sorry, guys. Let's play again. Oh, no, actually no. So, let's try again. Sorry, I just hit the mic again. I need to do something with this mic. Move it away or something. Right. So, you see, this is working. Fantastic. I can open and close the things. Change the layout. I don't want to...
Let's go this way.
Fantastic. I can jump.
Enemy in sight.
We've taken the lead. We tied for the lead.
Oh, okay.
We've taken the lead.
Why I thought the keyboard will work. That's it. I'm gonna get banned again for freaking doing nothing. Okay, come on, Linux and Dex, get installed. My god, this is taking forever. Another banning coming. Yeah. It's just... I can't understand why they... These kind of things on Samsung Dex is really annoys me. It's 2021. It's... Come on, technology is like really ahead of everything. Like really advanced stuff. And as simple as controller doesn't work inside the game that's supposed to support controller, it's just beyond me. I can't understand why. Not gonna lie, this installation process for Linux and Dex is really long. It's really... How much stuff is needs to download? I somehow thought that this is gonna be like 5-10 minutes. How long this is happening? Can I go back? Okay, I started at 14 minutes stream and now... Oh no, so yeah, 15 minutes is right now doing this. You're kidding me. I need to work on my live streams because this feels like it's another live stream where I'm saying I'm gonna do one thing and I'm doing completely other. Oh, in this live stream I'm gonna chill and play some games, and game says nope, you're gonna go install Linux on Dex instead. Come on, install. I don't like this warning messages showing up here. It's a lot of them. And they keep coming up. I don't like that. I don't like that at all. So here we go. What's the time now? 20 minutes, and I'm gonna start wrapping up, because like I said, at 1 o'clock I need to go and give my little one a beauty sleep. He's gonna go and have a quick nap. We have things to do in the afternoon. We're going to see our family friends. So he needs to have a beauty sleep, because he's gonna go and do a bit of gaming with them. And finally, we are in here. So start Ubuntu. Boom. We are in Ubuntu. ls. Okay. Huh? Okay. VNC server dash start. Password 123 QWE. Enter. 123 QWE. Enter. Would you like password view only? No. So, okay. So if we're gonna go to remote, actually I already have that running. Boom, 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 boom. I wanna close. Okay, what we have here? 192.168.178. Oh, that's a thingy. Okay, so we're gonna go VNC. Let's check. Is it called ifconfig or ipconfig? Oh, I keep mixing up. Actually, I don't need this. I can run it on localhost. Tab S6. So this is gonna be 127-0-0-1. Port is gonna be probably, I think, gonna be this 5901, and that's it. If I go back and click connect, I'm gonna ask for password. I'm gonna say 123 QWE, and please tell me that's the right one. It's not. Oh no, that's it. We are in, boys. We are in. Ladies and gentlemen, we got Linux on DeX installed full screen via Termux and Andronix. Desktop settings. Please give me resolution change. No, this is wrong place. I need to click on here. Get in systems. No. Settings, desktop, display settings. Bingo. 1920 by 1080. Apply. Here we go. So this is the Linux on DeX. So if I go terminal, this is terminal. Okay, so let's say sudo apt-get update. Get some updates going in. That should be. I'm thinking now the update is probably gonna take a long time. How much time I got left? 15 minutes. Right, 15 minutes. Let's speed this. Let's speed run this. I hope it's gonna take like less time than I expect. I just want to speed run. Yeah, and I'm getting banned on Call of Duty. At least I'm getting a win here. Oh my god. Come on, terminal. Stop. So this is the Andronix and Termux setup with not modded OS. The difference between modded and not modded OS on Andronix is the style, the way you've been presented, the stuff inside the Linux. Because for example, like this, as you can see, this is very defaulty, layout and etc. Where on Andronix, which is where are you? This one, it's more. It's like a very nice facelift added to it. Andronix modded OS. So if I click on this, I'm going to say info. I'm showing you this just in case if you're not aware how this is all looks like. So we're going to go into Samsung Internet, and Andronix modded OS. So this is like how you can get Linux showing up, and I mean like very nice colors, like you can see black background and stuff. This is XFCE that I set up by default layout. This is like a modded version. It has all the stuff installed, like as you can see here. We have a VNC code. We have a VNC code installed. I don't know which version it is of VNC code, but we have it. We had that installed. So I hope the update will finish soon, and I'll try to run VNC code installer. I think it's just sudo install VNC, if I'm not mistaken. Is the browser working on this version? Nope. Another thing with the modded OSs, like I am not the Linux WizKid. I don't really know that much about Linux. I just know how to update, upgrade, and just do minor things. So I might be able to fix this browser issue, but again, like I said, I'm not the WizKid, and I just use Linux to mess around once in a while. But if some of you know Linux much better than I do, then it's great. We can get that in. I think I'm gonna do updated video about Andronix and Linux on DeX. Yeah, I might do that. I need to put this on my to-do list. Let's put this on my to-do list. Where's my to-do list? YouTube video ideas. Okay. YouTube. Where is it? Oh, here you go. Andronix. Yes, I agree with you. Super even Steven. The modded OS I install when I just want everything to work, but the clean install where I'm just connected to mess around. I'm sorry, I'm really tired today. Yeah, clean install is just when I want to mess around. There is no bloatware. It's not like they gives you a bloatware, but it's just cleaner. But when you know how to work with Linux, then this is just like amazing thing for you to use. Come on, I got like what 7-8 minutes, and it's like miles away from updating or completing the update. Anyway, while it's installing, I'll see how we all perform today. I'm very interested on how I was. We had 11 on one. Amazing. I don't expect a lot of people joining my live streams because I'm basically comparing on the YouTube world. I'm almost like nobody. So it's just oh well. I'm not gonna go complain. Even one viewer would be amazing to have in chat one-to-one. That would be amazing. Okay, how are we doing on Samsung DeX Reddit? One password now works on DeX through Brave. I have been messing around trying to get the one password working properly on Samsung DeX forever, and today I stumbled onto a authorization that works perfectly. Alright, so Brave app is the Brave app works with one password. I'm gonna have to check this out. I use the Bitward. Is it called Bitward? That's the app password manager thing I'm using. So, but apparently one password works inside the Brave now, which is great. What I'll do instead, let's go here. Reddit. Let's have a look what people saying. Can I use Linux on DeX on Samsung tablets Lite? If so, we are, yes, but the official number released a few years ago. Search for Andronix. We literally, that's what we're doing here on the live chat, on the live. I'm getting the Linux on DeX setup on my Samsung Galaxy Tab S6. Not the Lite version, but S6. And I hope you're in the chat, my friend. The person who posted this. What is it? I hope you're in the chat, my little friend. Now your videos are good. Thank you. Thank you. Jim, you are somebody, Mr. P, not a nobody. Appreciate it. My friends, like, and people who knows me, like, in real life, asking me why I'm doing this, why I'm sitting in front of the camera a couple of times a week and recording videos that probably no one's gonna watch. And the idea and the reply I get for them is this, that my basic reply to them is, if I will help one person to fix the problem or get the issues that they get in with technology, whatever, the basic Samsung DeX, let's call it. But if somebody having a problem and my videos will help them to resolve it, I accomplish something. That's my goal is. I'm not here to make a lot of money or become a super famous or anything. I'm just, this is my, basically, I remember since my childhood, my parents always told me that you need to help others, because if you're helping someone, one day that someone will help you when you need the help, like the most help. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. So I'm here to help, not start acting like some dickhead who got a lot of subscribers and whatever. Okay, how are our Linux and DeX doing? Oh, you really? Come on. By the way, all this time I'm basically running my Galaxy Tab S6 here, connected to QGIM 4-in-1 USB-C hub, which then connects through all these cables, and that's how you see me and not me, and that's how I can go and do this kind of swap cameras. My Galaxy Tab S6 not even warm, so it's great. Not even warm. Come on, update. I got 9 minutes. I'm probably not gonna finish. Anyway, I'm probably gonna start wrapping up, and here we go. We have the first message. So we need UK. Other is 21. We need English UK is 30. 30. And we need first as the default UK language. Jim, your basically comment is spot on. Is you can find the the help that you're looking for doesn't need to be in the same country, same city, or in the same household. Can't even speak. So I'm just here to I'm just here to help. Even if, let's say, Samsung will kill DeX tomorrow, I will find something else to just try around. Just even, let's say, Samsung DeX stops working, I'll just gonna go and try find other ways how you can use your Android phone or device as your PC replacement, even without Samsung DeX. Getting a, like, even Samsung DeX is gone tomorrow, I think Termux and Andronix and this Linux kind of setup is not the best, but is ideal replacement if, for example, Samsung DeX gets axed. Okay, it looks like this is not gonna finish. Looks like not gonna finish on time. So I'm gonna start wrapping up. not sure what kind of video I'm gonna publish in coming Friday, because it's like I said, my free time is not. I don't have that kind of luxury lately with the free time recording videos. I'm gonna think something about. Anyway, thank you to each and every one of you who joined me this Sunday morning or Sunday afternoon, depending where you are. What's the battery life like on the S7 when running Linux on DeX? I'm using Samsung DeX S6 LTE version with the 4G microchip inside, and I basically using and abusing my Galaxy Tab S6, and I haven't noticed any problems with the battery. I mean, like, my Galaxy Tab S6 is basically, when somebody says crash tested, my tablet is properly stress tested, like a lot. It's like always doing something, connected or not connected to a charger, but it's always doing something. Like right now, as soon as I finish doing all this screen recording, my Galaxy tablet will be used as a baby cam screen for 2 hours. So it's gonna be like on a battery running for 2 hours, constantly showing this. After that, it's gonna go on charge. After that, it's gonna do this. My Galaxy tablet is basically proper stress tested, and I haven't noticed any problems with the battery. Anyway, Tax FXL, bye bro, have a great day. Thank you, appreciate, same to you. So, and everyone else, thank you very much for joining me this Saturday evening, afternoon, depending where you are. I hope I will see you next weekend. Not sure what I'm gonna do next live stream, but it's gonna be 2 hours of me messing around with Samsung DeX. Yeah, I was thinking when I should to do streaming to catch a lot of people from USA. I can see that you are. It's not even 8 a.m. there. So it's 1 p.m. here, so 8 a.m. in Maryland, USA. So I will think the different time when I will stream, because I want to, because majority of my viewership is based in USA, so I want to cover US. So I might start streaming instead of 11 a.m. UK time or GMT, something maybe 2 p.m. GMT, which that means is about 9 a.m. in US. I will think about this. Finally, it's got installed and I'm about to go. Clear. Sudo apt get install VS Code. Interesting, it doesn't find VS Code, so I'm gonna have to have a look into this. Anyway, so yeah, I'll see how it's how my live stream timing will be. Today I started live stream without telling anyone, so I hope I'll be able to send a notice to everyone before I'm doing this. Anyway, I really appreciate everyone who joined me today. I'm really happy that you joined me to spend this time this Sunday while I was messing around, getting banned multiple times on a Call of Duty and trying to get this Linux on DeX sorted, which looks like it's got sorted, but it needs a couple of things to be done. First, VNC server -stop, exit. You always stop VNC server in the termux before you exiting, because it can corrupt the things. And I think I just said that and I've done it anyway. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this live stream. I appreciate everyone who joined me. You're fantastic people, and stay safe. And I hope I'll see you again next weekend. Not the same time, but the same place. And yeah, I'll post something on Twitter or something, giving a forewarning when I'm streaming. Anyway, thank you everyone, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.